Hello and welcome to the Listening Ear podcast. My name is Roger Zofula. Allow me to ask you a question. Do people really move on after suffering a major loss? You can respond on the comment section or you can write to us. In my perspective though, the people who have suffered a major loss don't really move on. What they do instead is to move forward. The difference is simple. Moving on or getting over can mean to forget everything or to forget someone or to forget the loss and leave everything behind, which is impossible. On the contrary, moving forward means to process the loss, to search for the positive remnants of the loss, to recognize that the relationship had a deeper and bigger meaning that could not simply end with the death or with the loss. Moving forward is a conscious decision to carry with all the memories, the pain, the sorrow, the brokenness, and attempt to live your life in the best possible way despite the loss. One of the means that we use to help our clients to move forward in spite of their loss is to ask them this series of questions. 1. If your loved one was here today, or if your loved one was with you today, what kind of life will they have wished or wanted you to live? Secondly, what kind of person will they have wanted you to be? And thirdly, if you were to honor your departed loved one with your life, how would you go about it? Or how would you live your life to honor your departed loved one? From the positive responses that we get from our clients, we guide them to create and align their goals accordingly. More importantly, we remind them that they are taking those positive steps, or they are going to implement those positive steps for themselves first and then for their departed loved ones, even though the motivation at the time is to do it for their departed loved ones. To learn more about grief and mental health matters, follow our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it from us. My name is Roger Zofula. Adios.